Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that has been making waves in the home security market, the SimpliSafe 9-piece wireless home security system with HD camera. We found this product online and have included a link in the description below, so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what the SimpliSafe system actually is. This is a comprehensive home security solution designed for ease of use and maximum protection right out of the box. The package includes a base station, entry sensors, motion sensors, and a wired indoor camera, all of which work together to keep your home safe and secure. One of the standout features of this system is how simple it is to set up. There's no need for complex wiring or drilling holes in your walls. You simply plug in the base station and the camera, place your sensors where they're needed, and voila! You're ready to start protecting your home. And if you need assistance, the SimpliSafe app provides a step-by-step guide to help you through the process, or you can opt for professional installation. Speaking of the app, it gives you complete control over your security system, allowing you to arm or disarm your system anytime, anywhere. This is especially useful for those who travel frequently or have busy lifestyles. You're not just limited to monitoring your home while you're there, you can keep tabs on it no matter where life takes you. Another essential feature is the optional professional monitoring service that comes with a free month of monitoring. This means that if an alarm is triggered, trained agents can quickly contact emergency responders on your behalf, ensuring a rapid police response when it matters most. The monitoring starts at a cost-effective price and comes with no long-term contracts or hidden fees. Now, let's dive into some practical use cases. For those with kids or pets, the entry sensors are a game-changer. They protect windows, doors, and even cabinets, alerting you whenever someone tries to enter. You can customize these sensors to send discreet notifications, so you know if someone is accessing private areas without triggering an alarm. This feature is particularly useful for parents who want to keep an eye on their little ones or for those with vulnerable areas in their homes. The motion sensors are another fantastic feature, covering a range of up to 35 feet with a 90-degree field of view. This means you can blanket a whole room with motion detection, giving you peace of mind whether you're home or away. Plus, they're designed to ignore pets under 60 pounds, so you won't have to worry about false alarms when your furry friends are around. For added security, the SimpliCam wired indoor security camera allows you to see what's happening inside your home in real time. And with its built-in stainless steel shutter, you have complete control over your privacy. If you opt for the Fast Protect monitoring plan, the camera even enables video verification, allowing monitoring agents to confirm a break-in and prioritize police response. The base station is built to withstand unexpected events, featuring a battery that lasts up to 24 hours and cellular backup, ensuring you remain protected even during power outages or Wi-Fi failures. Plus, the SimpliSafe keypad lets you easily arm and disarm your system from anywhere in your home, with backlit buttons that make it user-friendly in various lighting conditions. Lastly, for those who embrace smart home technology, this system is compatible with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa, making it easy to integrate into your existing smart home setup. In conclusion, the SimpliSafe 9-piece wireless home security system is an excellent choice for anyone looking for an easy-to-install, robust security solution. Whether you're a busy professional, a parent, or simply someone who values peace of mind, the system has something to offer. Thanks for watching.